Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off camera shutter sound on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now, if you open the camera app on your smartphone, then tap on the four dots. From here, just tap on the settings icon. Now from here, you will not find any option to disable the camera shutter sound on your smartphone. Now, the only way to disable the camera shutter sound is to disable the system sound on your smartphone, just like that. Now, to automate this action, just open Settings, then go to Modes and Routines. From here, just tap on Add Mode. Now just select an icon for your mode, and from here, just select a color for your mode. Now in the mode name section, just give a name to your mode. For an example, I will name it Shutter Sound Off. Now once you give a name to your mode, just tap on Done. Then tap on Turn On Automatically and select App Opened. From here, select the camera app and select Done. Now this mode will automatically turn on when you enable the camera app. Now just select Done. From here, just tap on Other Action. Now from here, just select Sound Mode and Volume. And from here, just disable the system sound and select Done. Now what this mode basically does is that when you open the camera app, it will automatically turn off the system sound on your smartphone. Now if you go to your home screen and open the control center, as you can see, no mode is enabled on your smartphone. But if you open the camera app, now just open the control center, you can see that the mode we have just created is enabled automatically. And as you can see, the camera shutter sound has been disabled. Just like that. And this is how you can turn off camera shutter sound on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.